4 класс, английский язык, Звездный английский, домашнее задание, урок 7, часть 2, страница 20, 21, 22, English, Starlight 4, homework, lesson number 7, part number 2, page number 20, 21, 22. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look marvelous. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Neither have you. You look marvelous. So do you. You look wonderful. So do you. You look terrific. So do you. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 20. You will. Exercise number 1. Listen, point and repeat. Послушай, покажи и повтори. Lime, grapes. Melon, mango. Coconut. Olive oil, watermelon, strawberry, lemon. Repeat once more, please. Lime, grapes, melon, mango, watermelon, coconut, strawberry, olive oil, lemon. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Read and complete the song. Then sing along. Прочитай и закончи песню. Затем спой. The answer. Lemons, bread, mangoes, coconuts, peas, olive oil, cheese. Read. How many lemons? How much bread? How many mangoes, green and red? How many coconuts? How many peas? How much olive oil? How much cheese? Boys and girls, do exercise number 3. Read and match the lists to the pictures. Прочитай и соедини списки с картинками. The answer. C, B, A. Number 1. Olive oil, bread, limes, melon. The answer. Letter C. Number 2. Bread, lemons, peas, watermelon. Picture number B. Number 3. Olive oil, bread, strawberries, coconuts. The answer A. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 21. Exercise number 4. Listen, point and repeat. Послушай, покажи и повтори. Jar, plate, bottle, can, lemonade, cola, cotton, packet, loaf. Read once more, please. Jar, plate, bottle, can, lemonade, cola, cotton, packet, flour, loaf. Let's play. Can I have some orange juice, please? A can or a bottle? A can, please. Можно мне немного апельсинового сока, пожалуйста? В банке или в бутылке? В банке, пожалуйста. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 5. Read and correct the mistakes. Прочитай и исправь ошибки. Number 1. A jar of milk. A carton of milk. Number 1. The answer. Пачка молока. Number 2. A bottle of jam. Number 2. The answer. A jar of jam. Банка варенья. Number 3. A plate of cola. Number 3. The answer. A can of cola. Банка колы. Number 4. A loaf of flour. Number 4. The answer. A packet of flour. Пачка муки. Number 5. A packet of lemonade. The answer. Number 5. A bottle of lemonade. Бутылка лимонада. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 22. 22. Grammarland. A lot of, much, many. Много. A lot of, much, many. Много. A lot of используется в утвердительных предложениях с исчисляемыми существительными во множественном числе и с неисчисляемыми существительными. For example, there are a lot of lemons in the cupboard. There is a lot of cheese in the fridge. Much – много используется только в вопросительных и отрицательных предложениях с неисчисляемыми существительными. For example, is there much bread? There isn't much milk in the carton. Many – много используется только в вопросительных и отрицательных предложениях с исчисляемыми существительными во множественном числе. Are there many sandwiches? There aren't many strawberries in the cake. How many употребляется с исчисляемыми существительными во множественном числе, а how much с неисчисляемыми существительными. For example, how many apples are there? A lot, not many. How much sugar is there? A lot, not much. There are a lot of limes. Are there many limes? There aren't many limes. How many? Not many, a lot. There is a lot of cheese. Is there much cheese? There isn't much cheese. How much? Not much, a lot. Boys and girls, do exercise number 1. Look at the picture and choose the right words. Посмотри на картинку и выбери правильные слова. Number 1. A lot of. Есть много манго. Number 1. There are a lot of mangoes. Number 2. There isn't much orange juice. Number 2. The answer. Апельсинового сока немного. Number 3. There aren't many strawberries. Number 3. Нет много клубники. Number 4. There is a lot of honey. Number 4. The answer. Есть много меда. Number 5. There are a lot of melons. Number 5. The answer. Есть много дынь. Exercise number 2. Memory game. There are a lot of mangoes. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Talk with your friend. Can I have some grapes? How many? 2 kilos, please. Поговори со своим другом. Можно мне немного винограда? Сколько? 2 килограмма, пожалуйста. The answer. Can I have some lemons, please? How many? 3 lemons, please. Can I have some juice? How much? A cotton, please. Can I have some bread? How much? 2 loaves, please. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow,